Okay, you're finished snow blowing, clearing your driveway and your sidewalk, but you're not done yet. Let's not forget about that mailbox. Now here's the deal. It used to be the mail service bragged about, through rain, sleet, or snow, they were going to deliver your mail, but that was back 160 years ago, and the Pony Express was running the mail service, or the Pony Express was the mail service. Today, the United States Postal Service mail carriers will not get out of their Jeep Wranglers to reach across a snowbank to deliver your mail. They actually have some restrictions or laws or recommendations on the distance before and after a mailbox. In other words, egress, in and out, that they must have. So that is why we must get out here and clear a path for their Jeep Wranglers to deliver our mail. Now, a couple of things to take into consideration here. Common sense, and I think this is one of the laws of the land that actually has common sense, is that snow on your property needs to be blown back onto your property. The snow on the street is not your snow. That's the street snow. So you are not required to put that snow onto your property. But you cannot put that snow out onto the street to where it obstructs or blocks the flow of traffic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of passes in front of my mailbox and clear it for my mail carrier. Last year, we got pounded with snow for a couple of days and got 4 or 5 feet, and I couldn't even clear or get to my mailbox. So my mail carrier, he could not get to it. He put me on hold. So for 3 weeks, I didn't get mail, and I didn't even know it or snap to it or figure it out for a while. And then I finally figured it out and talked to him, and he said, yeah, you got to go to the post office and pick up your mail. You're on hold because you didn't have a clear path for me to get into and out of your mailbox. You can see by the arrow, this is my street gutter. We don't have curbs on my street here in Park City, but that's the path that I need to clear and to clear good in order for my mail carrier to reach my mailbox. So here is where the battle's going to start between you and the street plows. You're trying to clear in front of your mailbox, and the street plows are trying to take the snow from the street and push it off the street, which therefore blocks your mailbox. So it's usually going to take a couple of passes or a couple of trips, or you're going to need to get out with your hand shovel and continue to clear it after the plows come and fill this area up again. So here is where it kind of got a little interesting off camera. Right after I cleared this, a city municipal worker came by and had a discussion with me about me putting snow into the street. We had a quick, brief discussion, and I told him that all the snow on my driveway and sidewalk is in my yard, but I am not snow blowing the street snow into my yard. That's his snow. I was just helping his plow guys out so that they don't have to tear up my grass or hit my mailbox. And once he kind of saw what I was doing, he made the suggestion that I not put the snow out into the middle of the street, and then I just push it further down. But as you can see right here where I'm at, there's at least 6 or 7, maybe 8 feet of snow from the gutter out into the street that still hadn't been plowed. So anyways, that's about all I got for you. Hope this helps and clears up some questions for you. Leave me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. I got more helpful shit coming out all the time. Okay, see ya.